These are the top 5 scariest bird sounds in the world. Comment which one you think is the scariest. But first, you will have incredible luck tomorrow if you like and subscribe to this channel before the video ends. First is the lyrebird. Sounds like a chainsaw in the forest. Next is the barn owl. Screams like a ghost in the dark. Next is the common loon. That echo? Pure horror movie vibes. Next is the capuchin bird. Makes a haunting moo. Not even kidding. And last is the horned screamer. It screams like it's opening a portal.